Kaying do about how Anya kasi thoding ka arpu atre ujemang ka Iatai Halor ka online class ka baka sorkar club bathai school banang peniat chakmat namar ka jingbam yo long school hagani ka por bakhang kredep na ka jingpang coronavirus ubala kmen rumboy menteri katna puli puthi habujubab ka jingali blawanda ruzen sangma ka congress ulong baka sorkar kamla ban IGR up the smartphone bat kiwe kitiar namar baka sorkar kamdan pisa ban ai kini kitiar shaki khana school ki badan palat khandai langut hakabashi laktam kidon haki secondary but Sanpupra Hajanwood Haka Higher Secondary. Umentri ulo angru baki online class kemla ban peteng nemi Budgetary haka jaka ki kamera class namar baki dan bon ki school baki no hikai ki bampat nang limlien ya kani ka rukam hikai ling baki kor ki bor.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to sir question number 25. A. Yes, sir. B. Sir, gadgets are not prescribed by the department, but the online classes can be used to access through smartphone, tablet, laptop, and personal computers.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in that case, considering the fact that the situation because of the COVID-19, when it will be conducive for the students or for all of us to run the school, we never know. It is very uncertain. In that case, whether support will be given to the students who cannot afford to have certain gadgets, as it is mentioned by the Honorable Minister while replying to the students by the government.
Sir, this pandemic disrupt the life of each and every one of us, so also the student. In these circumstances, sir, we know there is a digital divide between the different students and different schools, and we know that there is a problem in the state, especially the connectivity is not proper, the 4G data does not reach each and every villages, and many parents they could not afford to have this gadget, and we know that there is electric disruption. We know there is so many problems, but having known that fact, we have to to explore the possibilities how to help the student who could have this gadget. That's why we from the department we are trying to do these online classes, and I have said time and again, this will not be a substitute to the classroom teaching. This only will supplement the knowledge of the student. So, sir, as of now, the government we learn this disparity or digital divide now only, where we know that even most of the teachers also they are not well equipped to teach the student these online classes. So that's why this may be the way forward. But as of now, the government have no plan to subsidize or anything regarding the gadget for the student as of now.
Sir, yes, as the Honorable Minister has replied, many of the parents, they cannot afford to buy certain gadgets, smartphones to their children. That is the reason why the government should look at providing support to those kind of families who cannot afford. Because if only certain section of the students are being able to avail this kind of teachings through online classes, then again certain section of the students will be discriminated from getting such classes. That is why only just to give proportionate help in regards to imparting teachings to the students, support should be given. And by forcing this, even the earlier government started distributing PC tablets. So whether this government is also continuing this program, and also if it is not required, then some more supplements will be there from the government side.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very thankful for the Honourable Member for understanding that the need to help the student in this line. But sir, considering that the huge number of the students, we have about 9,21,461 students, and if a tablet costs even 2,000 or so, is about 200 crore. So I don't think it is proper as of now. But we will explore all the possibilities. We are, in fact, in the last meeting which we have with the Union HRD Minister, I have explained the difficulties of the student. So if the government of India try to help us, we may come up with a plan. The plan is there, but the thing is that without the resources, it is not possible for us to go. But I hope that the parent, I hope the society understand that we need to explore all the possibilities, and digital world is a reality. So how to go with it? And we also hope that in the future, looking at the situation regarding this pandemic crisis, where the market is huge, maybe some company will manufacture compatible, but so to say, it is a cheaper smartphone which the government could afford to subsidize the students. So as of now, it is very difficult for the government to subsidize this smartphone to all the 9 lakh students. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we need not give the support to entire 9 lakh students, because considering the fact that some of the classes, they are on the verge of appearing in the board exams, like class 9, 10, these two classes may be given support, and 11 and 12, these two classes may be given support. For higher studies, as it is also, in higher studies, to have certain kind of laptop or smartphones are becoming mandatory. So the students in the higher studies might be having already. So at least these two categories, 9, 10 and 11, 12, if you can work out, then you can find out as to what will be the financial implication on this. But as the minister has replied that they have not yet explored, that means they are yet to decide on this. At least decision should be made, and exploration should have been made. Then afterwards only this kind of burden is being, will have to be borne by the government. So it is not possible. That part, that understanding will be there. But if the government has not yet decided and explored the thing, then how the government will be in a position to decide as to whether it will be possible on the government's part or not. So at least these two categories of students should be given support, sir.
So I have answered in my reply to the question. Also, I've already said that we know the difficulties, and we know the concern of the student. We have to teach the student. That's why we are coming up this. As I said before, that it is not mandatory, but it is complementary. It will supplement the teaching of students. And sir, we have the plan. But that's why I know why we have 9,21,000. And if we talk about secondary school, we have 1,11,350 students. And we talk about higher secondary school, we have 58,000 plus students. So we have the data with us. We know the financial implication. That's why I tell before that it is not possible. As of now, we are exploring ways and means how to help it. And number two, sir, which I want to tell here is that, sir, we are not only doing through the smartphone or through this thing, but we are exploring we are tied up with Dudashan Kendra. They are also teaching online classes from 11 till 2 p.m. every day from Monday till Saturday. And we are also doing through radio, All India Radio. Anybody who have a smartphone, who didn't have radio also, if they have phone, they can connect with the radio at 10:30 in the morning till 11:30. The program is for the student. So we are exploring all the possibilities to help our student. And we will try to do more. That's why we have the plan, but as I said before, we need the resources. And we know the resources not less than 150 crore we need as of now to do only this 1 lakh plus student for secondary and 58,000 for higher secondary. So we need, so as of now, it is only to supplement for the student, not compulsory.